to my new YouTube channel. I'm Pam and this is Pamela Brand Designs. I wanted to hop on here and say thank you so much for stopping, and I wanted to introduce myself to you a little bit. I am a crafter, I am a home decor enthusiast, and a DIYer. I have been doing this type of thing for the last 30-ish years or so. Shh, let's not share that with anybody though, okay? I have been wanting to start this channel though for quite some time. I have been dragging my feet and not getting off my can, and but here I am now, thanks to my children and my husband and my sister Susie, who has been my biggest motivator over the last 5-6 months or so to get me going. And because of her, I'm here today. So thank you to my sister Susie for that. But yes, I have lots and lots of ideas up here that I want to get out there to you guys, in hopes that you will want to recreate them and have them decorate your home, or things you can give as gifts. And I'm very excited to share them with you. My goal is initially to have 1 to 2 tutorials up during a week. Maybe as the time goes on, get that up to maybe 3 or 4 tutorials during a week. But I am definitely happy to be here. I do have a few Easter and spring tutorials that I have ready to go. I plan on getting about 2 of them up this week, and I'm very excited about them. I think you guys are gonna love them. So look for those. They will be coming in the next few days, and you're gonna like them. I know you will. I got the inspiration from these 2 that are coming from Pier 1's website. I do get ideas from places like Pier 1, Kirkland's, Home Goods, Bell's here in our area. I get other ideas from Z Gallery, all over the place. Anytime I see something and I'm like, I don't want to spend $50, $60 for that when I can make that thing for $5 using Dollar Tree products or Walmart or Target Dollar Spot, or hey, I can get something like that at the thrift store and redo something to make it that look that pretty. So that's where I come from. I come from, hey, I don't have to pay that kind of money to make something just as pretty. So if you are that type of person and you want to join me on this journey, I would absolutely love to have you with me, for sure. So please hit that subscribe button and then hit that little bell button when it comes up so that YouTube can let you know when I upload new videos. And I would love to have you on this journey with me. So give me a thumbs up if you would, so we can get my channel growing. I'd appreciate it so very much. And I look forward to you and I getting some tutorials going. All right, guys, thanks so much. We'll see you soon. God bless you. Bye-bye.